Ford didn't just update the Bronco for 2027, it may have quietly built the most complete Bronco ever. With a factory-built RTR model, Raptor-inspired engineering, upgraded powertrains, and serious off-road hardware, this isn't just another model year refresh. It could redefine what buyers expect from a factory-built adventure SUV. Ignite your engines, you're on the grid with Maven. Today we're counting down 7 reasons why the all-new 2027 Ford Bronco could be Ford's most capable and adventure-ready production Bronco yet. Number 7. Purpose-built design with trail-ready attitude. The Bronco RTR stands out with styling that's as functional as it is bold. An exclusive grille, distinctive LED lighting, and heritage-inspired squared fenders improve tire clearance and enhance off-road capability. Graphics inspired by California's legendary Johnson Valley pay tribute to the Bronco's testing grounds, while hyperlime accents add a modern performance touch. Buyers can also choose from multiple appearance packages. Completing the look are 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels with a wider offset for improved stability, paired with the exclusive avalanche gray paint, creating a Bronco that's built for both style and serious adventure. But eye-catching styling is only the beginning. What truly separates the new Bronco RTR is something most buyers won't immediately see. It's the way Ford now builds it from the ground up. Number 6. Ford builds the RTR right from the factory. The biggest change for the 2027 Ford Bronco isn't just the new RTR trim, it's that it's now built directly at Ford's Michigan assembly plant. Instead of being modified after production, the Bronco RTR leaves the factory fully engineered, giving buyers factory-backed quality, warranty coverage, and nationwide dealer support. Developed with input from professional racer Vaughn Gittin Jr., the RTR badge carries serious off-road credibility. Rather than being just another appearance package, the factory-built RTR delivers better integration, greater durability, and stronger value than previous RTR Broncos ever offered. And that factory integration allowed Ford to do something even more impressive: equip the RTR with hardware inspired by its ultimate off-road machine. Number 5. Raptor-derived hardware takes capability even further. The Bronco RTR borrows proven hardware from the high-performance Bronco Raptor, giving it exceptional capability straight from the factory. A high-clearance suspension, Bilstein shocks, and 33-inch all-terrain tires improve wheel travel, ride control, and ground clearance. Reinforced steering components boost durability, while the Raptor's 1,000-watt cooling fan keeps engine temperatures in check during demanding off-road driving. Ford's anti-lag system in Baja mode reduces turbo lag for quicker throttle response. For even greater capability, buyers can add the Sasquatch package, which includes 35-inch tires and Ford's advanced Haas suspension system for maximum off-road performance. But even the toughest suspension and smartest off-road hardware are only as good as the engine powering them. So what does Ford put under the hood? Let's take a look. Number 4. Powertrain choices that keep the adventure alive. The 2027 Ford Bronco offers one of the most versatile powertrain lineups in its class. The standard 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder delivers around 300 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, while the available 2.7-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 boosts output to approximately 330 horsepower and 415 pound-feet for stronger acceleration and towing. Enthusiasts will appreciate the available 7-speed manual transmission with a crawler gear, while others can choose the smooth 10-speed automatic. Combined with GOAT drive modes, every Bronco is ready for highways, trails, sand, and mud. Before we reveal why the Bronco can confidently go where many SUVs simply can't, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe to Maven. It helps us bring you more vehicle reviews, engineering insights, and the latest automotive news. Now let's see why the Bronco has earned its reputation as one of America's most capable factory-built off-road SUVs. Number 3. Trail capability that few SUVs can match. The 2027 Ford Bronco is engineered to conquer terrain that challenges most SUVs. Available electronic locking front and rear differentials, a front stabilizer bar disconnect, and GOAT goes over any type of terrain. Drive modes maximize traction across mud, sand, snow, and rocks. Unlike the Jeep Wrangler's solid front axle, the Bronco's independent front suspension delivers sharper steering, greater highway comfort, and excellent off-road capability. For even more performance, the available Sasquatch package adds 35-inch mud terrain tires, upgraded suspension, and increased ground clearance for tackling the toughest trails with confidence. But even all of that capability isn't the ceiling. At the top of the Bronco lineup sits a model engineered to push factory off-road performance even further. Number 2. The Bronco Raptor continues to rule the trail. Leading the Bronco lineup is the Bronco Raptor, built for enthusiasts who demand maximum factory off-road performance. Its 3.0-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 produces around 418 horsepower, launching it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.6 seconds. Ford's advanced Haas suspension with Fox live valve dampers, reinforced chassis, heavy-duty skid plates, and generous ground clearance allow it to conquer extreme terrain with confidence. Whether tackling desert trails or technical rock crawling, the Bronco Raptor continues to set the benchmark for factory-built off-road SUVs with little need for aftermarket upgrades. As impressive as the Bronco Raptor is, performance alone doesn't decide what ends up in most driveways. The number one reason could be the one that convinces more buyers to choose the Bronco over its biggest rivals. Number 1. Outstanding value makes it even more tempting. Capability matters, but value often seals the deal. The 2027 Ford Bronco is expected to start at around $43,000, with higher trims reaching the mid-$50,000 range. The new factory-built Bronco RTR is expected to sit above the Badlands trim, offering many Raptor-inspired upgrades without flagship pricing. Against rivals like the Jeep Wrangler, Toyota 4Runner, and Land Rover Defender, the Bronco stands out with its removable roof and doors, available manual transmission, advanced off-road technology, and refined everyday drivability, making it one of the strongest value propositions in the off-road SUV segment. So after looking at its styling, engineering, performance, capability, and value, one question still remains. Final verdict: has Ford perfected the Bronco formula? The 2027 Ford Bronco is far more than a routine model year update. With the introduction of the factory-built RTR, Raptor-inspired off-road hardware, versatile EcoBoost engine options, and the increasingly rare 7-speed manual transmission, Ford has further strengthened one of the most capable SUVs in its class. More importantly, Ford has managed to improve nearly every part of the Bronco without losing the rugged personality that made it an icon in the first place. Whether you're commuting during the week, exploring backcountry trails on the weekend, or tackling extreme off-road terrain, there's a Bronco designed to fit your lifestyle. Now we'd like to hear from you. Which 2027 Bronco would you choose? The factory-built RTR or the Bronco Raptor? And do you think Ford has built the ultimate off-road SUV? Or would you pick one of its rivals instead? If you enjoyed this review, subscribe to Motor Maven and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest vehicle launches, engineering deep dives, and automotive news. Thanks for watching Motor Maven. Think the 2027 Ford Bronco is impressive? Wait until you see the next vehicles we're covering. Tap one of the videos on your screen now and keep the adventure going with Motor Maven.